In this lesson, I want to review the 12 factors applications must meet in order to run in the cloud. The more your application meets these 12 factors, the better it will run in the cloud and the easier it will be to maintain. The factors are: Codebase, where you store your code and collaborate with your team. Right now, you're using the virtual machine, but later, you want to use the Oracle Developer Cloud Service Git repositories. Dependencies. All dependencies must be declared and isolated. NPM takes care of this part. Configuration. It is recommended to store configuration in the environment rather than in the code. This is done in the config module. Backend services. Your application uses external services accessed using network connections. Right now, the application has no external connections, but a connection as a database can be treated as a backend service. Build, release, and run. Your application should follow these steps to be run. Developer Cloud Service helps you comply with this by storing all builds. The released artifacts, and when run in Application Container Service, keep track of the version deployed. Processes. Your application must run as a stateless process that can be duplicated, and each process is independent and provides the same output for the same input. The way you write HTTP servers take care of this. Port binding. You should export your services by binding ports. This is, the way you use your application is through the network. HTTP applications naturally use this feature the moment you create and bind server ports. Concurrency. Applications should scale by adding more processes that may be distributed on different machines. To achieve this, it is recommended that your applications are built with non-blocking input and output, and that all services calls are stateless. Disposability. You must create applications that can be run and shut down without affecting environment or other applications. When an application starts, it has to boot as fast as possible, and when shut down, it must dispose its resources gracefully. Development and production parity. All environments you work on must be as similar as possible. In the course you use the development VM, since that environment is really similar to the Oracle Cloud applications run in. Using a similar environment in development and production minimizes the problems related to system configuration with developing and testing applications. Logs. You should log your application output as a stream of aggregated time-ordered events. Also, where your logs are displayed or stored should not be of concern of your application. Rather, the runtime and environment should be configurable to redirect the log output to the console while in development or a file while in production. Administration processes. These are tasks that are run on demand, like setting up the database, initializing application files, and folders, or any other one-off process that you must run on demand. These processes must be coded and stored separately from the application code. Administration tasks are executed manually. Therefore, it's recommended that their code is not visible or shared in the main application. These are the 12 factors that are recommended to have a cloud-friendly application. The application in the course considers these 12 factors. If you want to learn more, you can find information in the 12 Factor website.